In this video, we're going to be going through how you can create a random name picker in Excel. Now, this can be useful if you are a teacher and instead of looking for a random name picker online, you can have one in Excel where you can put like all your students' names. If you want to do it for competition, you can put all the participants in, and I'll kind of walk you through how to do it. So first of all, you're going to want to create a table, and to do this you can put your list together. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to do group of people, for example, and I'm just going to copy these names for ease. So I'm just going to copy that with Control C, and then I'm going to do Control Shift V to paste it as values. Now what we're going to do is hit Control T to create a table, and then I'm going to hit Alt M to tick this create my table with headers box. So there you go. Once you click OK, it creates the table for you. Now that is what I've done here to get us started. Now I've added these in for how we'll go through creating the formula to allow us to do this random name picker. Now I'm going to put my formula in this cell underneath the person chosen. You can fancy this up any way you like. I'm just doing it in a random cell. Now what we're going to do is we're going to leverage 3 different formulas to create our random name picker. They're going to be the index one, RANDBETWEEN, and rows formula. So we're going to start off with index. And what we're going to do first is we're going to select our table. Now you can either select one cell and drag it all the way to the bottom, but obviously if it's a lot bigger, you can just select one cell in here and then do Control Space to select the whole column. So once you've selected the whole column in the table, you're then going to do comma, and then we'll put in the RANDBETWEEN formula. Now the bottom value is going to be 1, and our top value we're going to use the rows formula to calculate. So I'm going to do rows, and then we're going to select the same array as earlier. So select a row and Control Space to select the whole column. And then once you're done, we're going to close that bracket for the rows formula, then the one for the RANDBETWEEN, and then the one for the index formula. And then we'll hit enter. And now we've got a option from our list, and that's Elaine Romilly. Now, if we were to hit F9, we can see that the workbook recalculates and we get a different person coming up. Now we can also go to formulas, and you can even get it to calculate manually by clicking calculate now as well. So that will force it to recalculate, and you have a new winner or person selected chosen. If you found this useful, like, comment and subscribe. If there's anything else you want me to do a video on, write that in the comments below.